Hello guys, today I am going to share a simple strategy that helped me earn $75 to $2008 in binary option trading. But first, subscribe to my Telegram channel, YouTube channel so you don't miss out any trading signals and profit strategies. Join my Telegram channel where successfully trading classes, deals and strategies for the maximum profit and posted every day. Plus, I personally answer your trading questions there, so don't miss it out. Before we begin, I want to remind you that it's crucial to adhere to my strategy correctly. This way you will achieve significant profits. The most important thing is that to keep a cool head and not rely on the emotions when trading and always conduct analysis before making trades. I know you can't wait to get to the point, so pay close attention to what I say and do. Hit the like button and let's go! Let's move on to the most exciting part of my video, my 100% effective strategy. It is based on the awesome oscillator and the RSI indicators. By analyzing these indicators, I decide whether to open a trade. If the moving average crosses from bottom to top, it signals a potential upward movement in the chart and vice versa. The second indicator helps determine the direction of the chart movement in the larger scale. And now for the settings. I leave everything at the default. I turn on only two indicators, awesome oscillator and the RSI. I keep the setting for both indicators as standard. Now turn on the candlestick, set the interval for the 1 minute. The trade is 1 minute and you can start. I am starting with a sum of $75 and it's from there that we will aim to reach $2000 plus. And how we will do that? Just keep watching to find out. We open the Asia Composite Index. We initiate our first trade for a decrease with an amount of $75. We see a sharp rise earlier followed by a gradual decline, which is also reflected in our included indicators. This is our signal for a decrease in the currency pair, and we also see a downward movement. We are watching how our first trade confidently goes into the plus and waiting for the right moment for the second one. By the way, my Telegram channel always posts the successfully tradings and the signals. So if you're really interested, just join it and get the huge profit. For the second trade, we are placing an amount of the $144 because profitability in each trade will be approximately 93%. The second trade will also be in the index. We analyze the situation and make a trade for the increase for 1 minute. Analyzing the movement of the chart, we notice a sudden upward spike, which increases our chances of the ending up in the profit. So, as our trade ends, we see that our strategy worked. Our second trade ends in the profit and our balance is now $279. We will now increase our trade amount to $279. The next trade will take place in another index with the 93% profitability, namely the Commodity Composite Index. Now we are looking for the next suitable situation, and once again we open a trade for the decrease for 1 minute. The index has been in decline for some time now, with occasionally small green Japanese candlesticks appearing, but they do not pose at a threat. This is enough to enter a trade for a decrease. So the trade is completed and another successful trade in our pocket, and we observe our balance is $539. So we are not from our goal of $2000 plus. The main thing is that to replicate my strategy and analyze your trades. We increase our trade amount by $539 and look for the next suitable situation. So, we have found the situation we need. We are opening our trade for an increase for 1 minute and keep waiting. Let's look at the red indicator. We saw a slow but steady upward movement. The trade has ended. Another successful trade to added our piggy bank and the balance has increased to $1040. So, we increase our trade amount by $1040 and look for the next suitable situation. So, we have found the suitable situation we are looking for. Staying with this index, we open our trade for an increase for 1 minute and let's wait. Here we see the moving averages crossing from below to above and the chart showing an upward trend, indicating a signal for an increase. The trade ended successfully. Another accurate trade in the series, and we observe our balance is $2008. The main thing is that to replicate my strategy and analyze your trades. Our strategy is coming to an end, and with its help, we have turned $75 into $2008. All our trades were confidently successful, demonstrating the effectiveness of the strategy I have shared with you. So good luck and good profits to everyone. If you really want to earn a huge money, just join the Telegram channel and also subscribe the YouTube channel and throw the referral link. Buy my crypto future millionaires.